Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I will be sharing with you a crock-pot salmon and potato casserole. The first thing you'll need are 4 potatoes peeled and thinly sliced, 1 onion chopped, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of water to this soup, and you'll see how we do that right here. Make sure you get all of that soup out of that can because every drop counts. So now we're going to stir up our soup and water mixture until it's all well combined and nicely smooth. Now set that over to the side and we're going to get started. So now we're going to spray our crock pot with some cooking spray. I'm using an olive oil cooking spray, and make sure you get all the sides and the bottom. Now we're adding a layer of potatoes. Don't use all of your potatoes, only half of those. And we have 3 tablespoons of flour right here, and we're sprinkling on half of that flour on top of these potatoes. Now add some salt to the top of your potatoes. You do not have to use as much as I did, y'all, but you add as much or as little as you desire. Now add some black pepper as well. So here I have a packet of wild-caught pink salmon. This is skinless and boneless. I could not find my typical canned salmon, so I opted to get this instead. I did get 3 packets. So right here you will be adding 1.5 packets of your salmon to your potatoes, flour, salt, and pepper. And make sure to spread out your salmon as even as possible on the top of your potato and flour mixture. So here is our onion that has been chopped. We're gonna add a half of this, actually a little bit more than half, because I kind of went a little bit overboard with the onion, but that is okay. You do it your way. Now spread the onion out as even as you possibly can, and now we're gonna get started on our second layer. Now we're adding our cream of mushroom soup. Make sure that you get every single bit of this soup on the top of this casserole, y'all, because it is so good. Now spread out that soup really well, and now we're gonna add our ground nutmeg. Sprinkle as much or as little as you desire. Close the lid on that crock pot and set it on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 to 10 hours. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, please hit that like button and please do consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell notification, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.